In your study guide on page 35, we are first going to do number 3 together. Number 3 has square L, M, N, O, and I'm going to graph those original vertices. So L is -4, 6. M is -1, 8. N is 1, 5. And then O is -2, 3. So here is my original square L, M, N, O. And we are reflecting this over the line y equals 2. So y equals 2, I'm going to go to +2 on the y-axis, and this is the point my line goes through. The other way to figure out what line this is you can make an xy table. Y always equals 2, and then you can just pick any x coordinates you want, and those points will form this line. So now that I know what line I'm graphing or reflecting over, all I have to do is count the spaces. So O is 1 space away from this line, so O prime is going to be 1 past it. N is 3 away from this line, so N prime is also 3 away from the line. L is 4 away, so I go 4 in the other direction. And then M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away, so I go 6 below. And there's my reflection.